Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a movement snack slash session that I've really been enjoying lately. And I really don't know what to call it, but what you're doing is you're making friends with the ground. And what you do is, it's kind of like the get up game we've played before, but you want to see how gently and smoothly you can get down to the ground. And then if you can reverse that to come back up from the ground gently and smoothly. It's really hard to understand what I'm talking about, and I don't know what I'm saying, so I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. So we want to see how smoothly we can get down to the ground, and then we want to see if we can reverse that. And so you can have so much fun with this because you can play at different angles, and you just want to see how gentle you can go down to the ground. And then if you can, reverse it. So your only limitation here is your imagination. And you want to try all angles because that gives you options. And remember, the more options you have to move, the better off you are. And I know it seems silly, but this is a lot of fun. Like, 10 minutes will go by like 30 seconds for me because I'm just sitting here trying to think of all the ways and all the ways I can move, and then how smoothly I can do them. Like, where will my body let me go? How much control do I have over it? Can I do it one way is one thing, but then can I undo it the other way, which is a whole other thing. So I just encourage you to try this because it does give you options to move, but it also, you make friends with the ground. And if you are never afraid of the ground, and if you have 100 different ways to get off of the ground, well, effectively, you can't age. At least you will never be afraid of getting down on the floor. Because if you're 99 and you stumble down, you'll probably be able to unstumble back up. Anyway, that's my really simple movement tip. It's a movement trip. I tripped. That's my movement tip this week. Can you make friends with the ground? How smoothly can you do it? How many different ways can you do it? You can obviously do 2 feet, but you can always challenge yourself. It's a lot of fun, and it makes you able, strong, and capable. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.